Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC U0073 indicates an issue with the Front Controller Area Network (FCAN) communication bus line within the Honda CRV model years 2017 to 2022. This type of error typically suggests that there is a disruption in communication between various electronic control units, ECUs, related to vehicle functions such as the Body Control Module, BCM. The FCAN network facilitates communication among these systems to ensure they operate cohesively. This can impact everything from vehicle lighting to alarm functions, potentially affecting more critical systems if unresolved. Importantly, when the FCAN communication is compromised, the overall functionality of associated components may be impaired, leading to irregular operation. Hence, it's crucial to address any issues regarding DTC U0073 immediately to maintain vehicle performance and safety. DTC U0073 primarily involves the FCAN communication bus line and the Body Control Module, BCM. The BCM acts as a central hub for communication between various electronic modules in the vehicle, managing functions such as power distribution, lighting, and security systems. It is typically located in the passenger compartment, often behind the dashboard or in the fuse box area. This error indicates that signals cannot be properly transmitted or received over the FCAN network, which is vital for the synchronization of multiple vehicle systems. The FCAN network connects several ECUs, contributing to the vehicle's overall electronic architecture. When there is a failure in this communication line, it can severely affect the operation of dependent components and systems, which may lead to more extensive electrical issues. Several issues can lead to the appearance of DTC U0073. An open circuit is where a break occurs in the FCAN communication line, preventing signals from being transmitted between control modules. This could be due to frayed wires or a poor connection at a terminal. A short circuit could also occur where unintended connections create an abnormal pathway for electricity, leading to erroneous communications. A faulty Body Control Module, BCM, itself could be another significant cause. If the module is malfunctioning, it may not process information correctly, resulting in communication errors. Lastly, check for environmental factors such as moisture or corrosion that can lead to physical damage of wiring or connectors. Addressing these possible causes is essential to prevent further complications. Symptoms related to DTC U0073 may vary, but common issues include malfunctioning electrical systems. This can manifest as various electronic components not operating as intended, such as lights flickering or failing to activate. Additionally, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard. This is a signal to the driver that there is an underlying issue requiring attention. In some cases, specific vehicle controls may become unresponsive, preventing drivers from accessing normal functionalities like central locking or window operations. These symptoms indicate that there is a problem within the FCAN communication, and the vehicle should be diagnosed promptly to avoid safety hazards or further damage. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC U0073 is to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool. The HDS is an advanced diagnostic tool specifically designed for Honda vehicles and is essential for accurately reading and clearing codes. After clearing the codes, turn the vehicle to the off lock position and then to the on position. This reset can help in verifying whether the problem persists. Waiting for at least 6 seconds allows the vehicle's systems to initialize properly. After this period, check again for any DTCs using the HDS to see if U0073 is present. This step is crucial for understanding if the error is ongoing or was a temporary glitch in the system. Once you have cleared the DTCs and restarted the vehicle, the next step is to check for DTCs once again using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. If DTC U0073 appears, you need to confirm whether or not a CAN, Controller Area Network Gateway, is present in the system. If the vehicle is equipped with a CAN gateway and the DTC is confirmed, proceed to the troubleshooting protocols specific to the CAN gateway system DTCs. If there is no CAN gateway present and the DTC is still indicated, you'll need to move on to the second phase of troubleshooting, which investigates the FCAN circuit. This step ensures that you are following the right diagnostic path, preventing unnecessary work, and ensuring an efficient repair process. Finally, if the checks indicate that DTC U0073 is not present after the system has been reset, it may suggest an intermittent failure. This means that while there may not currently be an ongoing issue, the system showed the error at some point, but is functioning correctly at this time. It's essential to monitor the vehicle's performance closely in the following days and ensure that no other symptoms arise. Document any inconsistencies or reemergence of the DTC, as this information will be valuable in future diagnostics. Intermittent failures can sometimes point to underlying issues that may not be consistently active, requiring careful observation and further investigation if symptoms begin to reappear. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC U0073, it is crucial to conduct a final verification process. Using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS, recheck the DTCs to confirm that the initial error has been cleared and no new codes have emerged. Additionally, ensure that all involved systems operate properly. This means assessing the functionality of the FCAN and any related components effectively. If everything is in working order without recurring DTCs, it indicates that the repairs were successful and that the systems are functioning correctly. This step is important for validating the effectiveness of the repair and safeguarding the integrity of the vehicle's electronic systems. Preventive maintenance is essential in mitigating future occurrences of DTC U0073 and ensuring the longevity of your vehicle's electronics. Regular system checks can help identify any consistent faults or degradation in communication lines over time. Inspecting wiring and connectors should be part of routine maintenance to ensure they are free from moisture, corrosion, or physical damage, which can often lead to communication errors. Additionally, software updates can resolve glitches in communication protocols and improve system responsiveness. Keeping all electronic systems well maintained is key to preventing future DTCs and ensuring a smooth driving experience. In summary, DTC U0073 is a critical code indicating an FCAN communication bus line error within Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. Understanding the implications of this error is vital, as it affects various systems reliant on the FCAN architecture. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach ensures that you can diagnose the problem effectively and apply the appropriate repair measures. Addressing both the immediate error and implementing preventive maintenance procedures will help maintain the vehicle's electronic integrity. Always remember to recheck DTCs after repairs to confirm the effectiveness of the solutions applied. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.